All right, here we are today on a boat down in Merritt Island. A buddy of mine, Steve, lives across the street with Red. You saw Red on the video earlier. So he came over grouching at me. Yeah, he always comes over and grouches at me. It isn't a day if I don't see Red. So I want to show you guys on this eco-worthy 10-volt or 10-watt charger that we hooked up earlier. I promised you I would show you how to hook it up on a marine boat. So Steve was didn't have one in his boat, so I'm going to donate this one to him, and he can thank eco-worthy for it, because they sent me two. So I got one for me, and I'm going to give him this one when I'm done here showing you how to hook it up. But I want to first show you how to hook the cable, to change the cable. In his boat, he's got one of the 12-volt cigarette lighters right here behind the window. And as you can see, that goes directly to the 12-volt battery, making this a very easy process. So we just unplug the clamps that come with it, and we just plug in on the original version of this. Now, there was two versions, if you remember. On the original version, it comes with a cigarette lighter port, as opposed to the one that works with a car, where you don't want to use a cigarette lighter because it goes off when you turn the ignition off. On this one, you want it on all the time. And so the cigarette lighter in the boat is on all the time. So now we should be able to plug this in. And we just have to set this out in the light. And you will see there's already enough light, even in this late day of raininess that we've got going on here. There's enough light to indicate that this is already charging. So now we can just set this up here, or, oops, you can't see that, can you? So we can just set this up here, or just lay it on the roof up here, or probably even just set it back on the seat, or even put it over here on the deck. And it will keep him maintain his 12-volt battery with any extra effort. And so that makes it very simple for him to keep his battery charged, and he can come down to his boat with confidence and know that he's not going to get stuck on the dock or stuck out somewhere in the river not having a charged up battery. So it's as simple as that. Hope this helps. This is going to be a link down below for it if you're interested in getting one. So we'll talk to you later. See you in the next video.